There are very few certainties in life, but one truth stands above all others. Death awaits us all. It's a somber thought, perhaps, but an undeniable reality that we often try to push to the back of our minds. Yet, acknowledging this fundamental truth is the first step in responsible financial planning, particularly when it comes to safeguarding the future of those we love. While we insure our cars against accidents, our homes against damage, and our health against illness, these are all policies contingent on unpredictable events. They offer protection against potential losses. Life insurance, however, operates on a fundamentally different principle. It isn't about if something will happen, but when. It's the only form of insurance that guarantees a payout, a certainty that sets it apart and elevates its importance in any comprehensive financial strategy. This guaranteed payout isn't just a technicality, it's the bedrock of its value. Unlike a car insurance claim that depends on an accident occurring or a health insurance claim contingent on a doctor's visit, life insurance delivers its promise regardless of the circumstances, as long as the policy is in force. This absolute certainty makes it an indispensable tool for financial planning, as providing a concrete safety net that other forms of insurance simply cannot replicate. It's not just about covering an unforeseen event. It's about strategically planning for the inevitable, ensuring that even in our absence, our financial legacy and the well-being of our dependents are secure. It's about transforming the one unwavering certainty of life into the most reliable financial safeguard for your loved ones, a testament to your foresight and care. Beyond its foundational promise, life insurance offers a multitude of practical benefits that address very real and often unspoken concerns. At its core, it acts as a steadfast guardian for your loved ones, providing crucial financial security should the unthinkable occur. Imagine the comfort of knowing that, even in your absence, your children's education fund remains untouched, your spouse can maintain their standard of living, and the mortgage payments continue without disruption. This isn't just about replacing lost income, it's about preserving the life you've built together and ensuring continuity for those who depend on you most. Furthermore, life insurance isn't solely about the distant future. It also addresses immediate and often substantial end-of-life expenses. Funerals, medical bills, and other administrative costs can quickly accumulate, adding a significant financial burden to an already grieving family. A well-planned life insurance policy can easily cover these expenses, alleviating stress during an incredibly difficult time and allowing your loved ones to focus on healing rather than financial strain. It's a proactive step that demonstrates profound care and foresight, ensuring that your legacy is one of comfort and stability, not an unforeseen financial obligation. But the utility of life insurance extends even further, transforming it into a powerful tool for wealth transfer and legacy building. For many, a life insurance policy isn't just a safety net. It's a strategically designed inheritance, ensuring that your accumulated wealth and values are passed on to future generations in a structured and efficient manner. Unlike other assets that might be subject to lengthy probate processes or significant taxes, the proceeds from a life insurance policy are typically paid directly and promptly to your beneficiaries, often tax-free. This makes it an incredibly effective way to create an instant estate, even for those who haven't had the time or opportunity to build substantial wealth through other means. Whether you envision leaving a lump sum to support your grandchildren's first homes, funding a charitable cause close to your heart, or simply providing a significant financial boost to your family, life insurance offers a guaranteed and predictable mechanism to achieve these goals. It's a testament to your long-term vision, allowing you to shape your financial legacy and continue to provide for your loved ones long after you're gone, making it an indispensable component of any comprehensive financial plan. We've explored the sobering truth that death is an inevitable part of life, and in turn, how life insurance stands apart from other forms of coverage by guaranteeing a payout. We've also unpacked the myriad practical benefits it offers, from providing crucial financial security for your loved ones in your absence, ensuring that daily expenses, mortgage payments, and educational costs are still met, to alleviating the burden of end-of-life expenses like funeral arrangements and estate settlement. Furthermore, we've touched upon its often overlooked role as a powerful tool for wealth transfer, allowing you to leave a lasting legacy or an inheritance that can significantly impact the financial well-being of future generations. Considering these factors, it becomes clear that life insurance is not just another financial product, it's a profound act of love and responsibility. Ultimately, the true value of life insurance transcends mere monetary benefit. It lies in the profound peace of mind it offers, both to you and to those you cherish most. Knowing that your loved ones will be financially secure, even when you're no longer there to provide for them, is an invaluable comfort. It frees you to live your life more fully, secure in the knowledge that you've put a crucial safety net in place. If you haven't already, we strongly encourage you to take the time to explore your life insurance options. There are a variety of plans and policies available, tailored to different needs and budgets, and consulting with a financial advisor can help you navigate these choices to find the perfect fit for your unique circumstances. Don't put off this vital step. Secure your loved one's financial future today, and in doing so, secure your own peace of mind.